If you're still in high school, there are several ways you can make money and earn some income. Here are some ideas. Tutoring. If you excel in certain subjects, offer tutoring services to fellow students who may need help in those areas. Babysitting. Babysitting is a popular way for high school students to earn money. You can offer your services to parents in your community. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, consider offering pet sitting or dog walking services in your neighborhood. Lawn care. Offer lawn mowing, gardening, or other outdoor maintenance services to neighbors or family friends. Sell handmade crafts. If you're crafty, you can create and sell handmade crafts through platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs. Car wash. Organize a car wash event in your neighborhood to raise money. Part-time jobs. Look for part-time job opportunities at local businesses such as restaurants, retail stores, or movie theaters. Some establishments may hire high school students for evening or weekend shifts. Online gigs. Explore online gig platforms like Fiverr or Upwork where you can offer digital services such as graphic design, social media management, or content writing. Sell used items. Declutter your room and sell unwanted items through garage sales, online marketplaces like eBay, or local buy-sell groups. Photography. If you have a knack for photography, offer your services for events or portrait sessions. Freelance work. If you have skills in writing, programming, or graphic design, consider freelancing for small projects. Performing arts. If you're skilled in performing arts, you could teach music, dance, or drama lessons to younger kids. Gig economy apps. Explore gig economy apps like TaskRabbit, Gigwalk, or Field Agent, which offer various small tasks and gigs that you can complete for money. Remember to consider any legal requirements or age restrictions for certain activities. Additionally, balance your money-making endeavors with your schoolwork and extracurricular activities to ensure you have enough time for everything. Starting a side hustle can also teach you valuable skills in entrepreneurship and money management. Always discuss your plans with your parents or guardians to ensure they are supportive and aware of your activities.